For sensors in heavy-duty, mission-critical applications, you need connectors that were built to last. NorComp's ruggedized interconnects have protected sensors in high-stakes industrial and environmental applications for over 40 years. Extreme conditions cannot impede sensor readings. Our IP67 rated and rugged environment certified connectors offer guaranteed protection against dust, sand, extreme temperature, and even liquid immersion. Outdoor equipment must maintain sensing capabilities against the elements. Find ruggedized connectors individually tested against the most extreme storms, temperatures, and vibrations. In intense indoor applications, connectors must protect against scorching operating temperatures, dust, gas, and chemicals. Our connector solutions are ready to defend sensors in industrial, medical, and manufacturing equipment. In high-stakes applications, loss of communication can have serious consequences. Individually tested connector systems will keep lines open through sweltering desert heat or Arctic freeze. When the stakes are critical and the environment is tough, don't take chances. Trust your application to NorComp's ruggedized interconnect solutions. Visit norcomp.net to learn more.